Sir, that hollow mountain in Nevada that was supposed to hold 1 million years of nuclear waste is full. We need somewhere else to dispose of this plutonium.
Yeah, just find the biggest idiot on our payroll and slip it in his bag. Ooh, that's a bingo.
Now, the best mac and cheese I've ever had is at a bowling alley in Ogdenville.
I am pretty full.
Breadcrumbs on the top.
I'm on my way!
Unattended bag!
Panic!
5, 4, no time for a full countdown.
Ooh, it's dinner time.
But enough radioactivity was released to create 17 Hulks and a Spider-Man. Here's an artist's conception. Quite disturbing.